How to bold text in LinkedIn. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, let me tell you that it is not possible to bold text from LinkedIn app itself, but I have a workaround for you. Let's dive right in. Open up your browser, any browser, go to texttrick.com, tap on it and then enter the text. So just type the text and you can see bold, just tap on it. And then you might need to watch an ad. You need to scroll down, and here you'll get bold text with various fonts. You can choose from them. You can just hit copy, and then now you can go to your LinkedIn, and now you can go to the post section and just go ahead and paste the text. There you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.